Let me show you how to make the best thin and sweet tart case that is bulletproof and you're going to get it right every single time. So start off by adding your butter and your icing sugar and then mix it until you get this consistency that you can see on the screen. After that, add your eggs and mix, and don't worry if it looks like scrambled eggs, just trust the process. Add your vanilla and flour and mix until it forms a dough. Lightly spray your surface and then roll your dough until it becomes into a flat rectangular shape, just because it will be easier to roll it afterwards. Cover it in cling film and let it rest for a good 20 to 25 minutes until your dough is cold, which makes it easier to roll afterwards. It won't stick to your surface. Roll it into whatever tin you like, and then I normally use a rolling pin just to get rid of all the top. I find this process slightly neater than using a knife, and then make sure you press some of that dough a bit to the top just to help the tart not shrink when baking. Now pierce your tart and cover it in cling film and let it rest for another 25 minutes. Once they're done, add whatever beans you've got, cover in cling film, and then bake it until it's ready. All these details are going to be on my website, so don't worry about that. Once your tart shell is done and cooled down, and as you can see, it's very, very thin shell. It's that thin, it's slightly see-through, but that's what I prefer when it comes to tart. I like a thin tart case and a lot of filling. I decorated it with some lemon curd, custard and fruit, and then finished it off with some icing sugar. Full recipe is on my website, link in bio.